Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily change the language in the Telegram application on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, be sure to put your likes, and also don't forget to write your comments under this video. Friends, let us get down to the topic. I will show you in this video 2 ways how you can change the language in the Telegram app. You will choose the one you are more comfortable with. If you need to change the language in the Telegram app to use the app more conveniently, but you don't want to change the entire language of your iPhone, it's very easy to do so. The first way is to open the settings on your phone. Now I will show it from the very beginning. Open Settings. You scroll down to the very bottom. Tap on the application option. Next, look for Telegram. Click on it. And here, at the very bottom, you will be able to see the option Language. You click on that option. And now you can choose either the language that was previously added, which maybe you've used that language in Telegram before, or you can scroll down and choose any of the languages below. In order to change the language, just click on it and exit back out. Or, friends, you can use another way. To do this, directly go to the Telegram app itself. Then at the bottom, click on Settings. Now scroll down and already here in the Telegram settings, find the language option as well. And here you can do the same. Scroll down and select the language you want. Click on it. Then just go back and you'll instantly see that the language of the Telegram app has been changed. But as you can see, for example, the language of the iPhone itself has remained the same as it was. These are the 2 ways you can easily, friends, change the language in Telegram on your iPhone. I hope you found this video useful. Please write your comments and be sure to like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you, friends.